What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another episode on the GTR. We're going to be working on the rear wing and we're going to be installing a carbon fiber devil wing. It's actually not the rep kit, which is awesome. It's a genuine part. Came in from Japan recently. It took ages because of COVID, but finally here. We're going to be installing it on the GTR 33 back there. Got Simon to help me out. And yeah, today's going to be sick. You're going to learn how to install the wing itself, how to take it off. It's a pretty easy install, so it won't be too long today, but yeah, let's get into it. All right, straight into the unboxing today. So we've got the auto select rear wing for the R33 GTR. It's called the Mini Devil Wing, I'm pretty sure. We've also got some Nismo lug nuts just because mine are trash, so I'm gonna upgrade those as well, but probably not in today's video. So let's get straight into the unboxing. I'm super hyped to see this. I haven't actually seen it yet. Been waiting to do it for you guys on camera, and let's go.
Add some cool music here.
Yeah. It's carbon fiber as well, full carbon fiber. I think it has a coat of clear coat on it, but we'll find out. Might have to actually go get it sprayed, to be honest. First unboxing for you guys as well. Oh, it's like Christmas. All right, cool. So we've got the Nismo lug nuts here. Let's unbox that first. Move this out of the way for you guys. How good are genuine parts though? I don't know if you guys can see this, but we'll try and get a close up. Comes with a security lug as well. I think they're the extended wheel nuts. These are sick, especially with the new Nismo logo on the top. It's gonna be wicked. So we got those. So pop that shit out of here. Ah. Try not to scratch it because that would suck. A few imperfections in the clear coat, but I think we can buff that out. You're not gonna really see that anyway. Oof. Oh man, it's light as that. That looks sick. So there's obviously a few little nicks here and there that we're gonna have to buff out, I reckon, but man, that looks good. How good does that look? I'm super hyped to install this on the GTR today. Fuck, this is gonna look real good. Super hyped. Wasn't cheap either, so pretty happy to get this over from Japan. Came in like 3 months, I think it took to get here, but look at that, guys. It is glossy. The weave looks sick. The shape looks dope. I can't wait to get into it. So yeah, let's install it. Let's go from there. So what we're working with today, we've got the simple Allen key, that end plates. And then what we have is these anti-theft sockets. That's what they are.
Yes.
And then this is gonna help take off essentially 2 anti-theft bolts inside to stop people from stealing your wing. Let's go ahead and we'll take off these bolts and all the inside ones and get to replacing the wing. Pretty used to screwing things up in life, so this would be right up my alley. And then I think you just pop these off and then it kind of, there's a little latch that pops out there. There's 2 more Allen bolts here, which are the adjustable ones, I believe. You know what's funny? The previous owners snapped that off. Oh shit, this is gonna be rough. So these aren't actually the security bolts anymore. The previous, we just went and bought some tools and the previous owners just fucking lost those. So, well, there we go. We'll see how we can get them off. I think one of the screws here is rounded. We'll try our best. They probably had another one on there at one stage, but this is working on JDM cars. You never know what you're gonna find, so we'll tackle it when we get to it. Good with my fingers. Sorry wife. Need a screwdriver. Now for the next one. Look at that, dude. Isn't that fucked up? What is that? Someone's butchered that completely. Maybe a pair of pliers, I guess. What I might be able to do is do the other side and then pull it through. Yeah, because I don't want to keep fucking yanking on that. All right, well, shit happens.
It's like a loose tooth.
Yeah, it's fully cracked like the actual plastic of the wing, and it's just free spinning in there. So I guess like you run into this sort of shit when you have a JDM car that other people have worked on. It's not his fault, he probably fucked it up and just couldn't be bothered. So I guess it is his fault, eh? fuck that guy. So basically what happened is, I'll try to explain it and you probably saw it on the footage, but essentially they've rounded off the top of a screw or something and it's broken the actual plastic that the screw or the well nut is attached to. So it's just free spinning between plastic or fiberglass or whatever this is. And we're gonna have to either just pull that out, cut it. You'd have to actually replace that with another piece of fiberglass with a rib nut, sort of well nut in there. And that's gonna be a bitch if we want to go back to the OEM. But thankfully, the new wing has 2 drill holes that we can use and utilize. That would be sick. Just gotta figure out, hopefully that's not the same on the other side. If it's the same on the other side, we're dead in the water probably. But we'll see, we'll take off the other caps. I'll update you guys when we're done. Oh, it actually has the security nut, so that was worth getting that set. Ah, true, I should support the wing with something. It's not really. All right, cool. Do that by hand now. All right, so this comes out. Hey. Oh, that is fucked. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see this. If you're looking just here, like this whole bolt, the previous owner absolutely destroyed that. And it's just free spinning there. Like the fiberglass around here is actually just cracked off. So we're gonna have to do a bit of a repair job on that eventually. It's not the right way around. That makes more sense, doesn't it?
All right, install's done.
Ready to go. So I'll do this with Allen bolts first. You know what? There's only like 2 bolts here, man. We might get away with it because there's only 2 bolts here. Do you want to jump on that side and hold that for me? Come down a little bit. Hold it there. So I won't tighten these all the way. You kind of just want to like have them loosely fitted, even out all the spacing. What's good about this is that there's actually less holes on this wing than the other one. So we don't have to worry about missing a screw. We can use both security nuts as well on each side, which is pretty sick. Let me loosely put that one in, and then I'll loosely put this side in. Time for the end plates. Let's make sure we have the right ones. That is not the right one. This is side. Pretty sure these are Nismo as well, the end plates. The previous owner chucked them on. It's a little bit faded, but at least they're Nismo, some sort of carbon. They look right. You get some shots of it. So yeah, that concludes the install for the Auto Select wing. Got it from Nengun. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it with the website. I'll put in the link in description for you guys to see. Sick website. The turnaround's a bit long because of COVID and stuff, but super quality parts. The wing itself looks absolutely amazing. Like, I'm super stoked at how that turned out. Can't wait to just take it for a drive and see how it performs. Not gonna notice a difference probably, but it looks absolutely sick. The raised parts here just flow so nice with like this little duckbill that it has at the end. It just looks absolutely mint. Super happy with how it turned out, and yeah, can't wait to make more content for you guys. So if you like this episode, you can just give it a like on the video for me. Hit that subscribe button. We've got heaps of more content coming. We potentially have a few big things in the works, Simon and I, for our business. So yeah, super stoked to bring that to you guys soon. We'd love your support, so yeah, help us out. That'd be sick. Mad install, super stoked, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.